A very good morning. Yes,
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning, children. A very good morning to all of you. A very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us move on to the topic that is worksheet 20, pronouns. Okay. So let's learn about pronouns, children. Before we move on to the pronouns, we should be thorough with the nouns. I hope all of you know what our nouns are. Come on, tell me, Rishi. Come on, tell me, Rishi, what are nouns? That was the first chapter we learned.
Yes.
Yes. So come on, tell me what are nouns. Grammar has such, it's a part of a speech. So we should know what our nouns are. Nouns are very, very important. We have started with the first topic, that is noun. Come on, tell me what are nouns. Nouns are? Nouns are? Yes, if you know the answer, please do raise your hands. I may call you. Yes, Darshit, come on, tell me what are nouns. Nouns are? What? Nouns are?
Words.
Naming words. Very good.
Naming words.
Nouns are naming words. And who can say much more about the nouns? Who could say much more about the nouns? Come on, raise your hands. No one is there? Okay, Aldrin, come on, tell me. What do you know about the nouns? Yes.
Ma'am, noun
Mm.
names as the place, animal, thing, or a person.
Very good, very good, very good. So nouns are names of person, places, animals, and things. We have learned in standard 1. Do you remember? Yes? Persons, places, animals, and things. So nouns are names of person. Person means all people belong to the nouns. Okay. They are naming words. We do have a name. Okay, so persons, places, all places do have a name, and animals, all the animals do have a name, and all the things. Okay, so these 4 are considered as noun. So nouns are names of person, places, animals, and things. So has noun is being connected to pronoun. So what do you mean by the term pronoun? Come on, tell me. Pronoun means what? Pronoun. What do you mean by the pronoun? Yes. Word used? Don't tell me. Word used?
Instead of noun.
Yes, very good. A word used instead of a noun is called as pronoun. Why are we using a pronoun instead of a noun? Why is that so?
Avoid repetition.
Very good, Srivet. To avoid repetition. Okay, very good. Well done. So to avoid repetition, we make use of the pronoun. Instead of saying Srivet, repeating the names again and again, it is well that we use a pronoun instead of a noun. Very good. So let's move on to the topic. Okay, my dear children. So all of you, please do keep your workbook open. Just keep in front of you. We have nothing to do with the workbook. Okay. So let's learn what our pronouns are. Only then we'll be able to do the exercise. All of you, please do kindly take page worksheet 20, pronoun and its kind. Okay, so let's learn what our pronouns are. Pronouns are nothing but it is a word that replaces a noun. Okay, it is a word that replaces a noun, that take the place of a noun, or we could say that it is used instead of a noun. Let's move on to the examples. Okay, so here there is a passage for you. You are going to read the passage very quickly. Dia, come on, Dia. Read the passage.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it.
Worksheet 20.
No, read this. What is there?
Ravi has not come to school today. Ravi is not well. Ravi visited the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave Ravi medicine. Ravi feels that if Ravi takes the medicine regularly, Ravi will recover soon. Ravi has not come to school today. He is not well. He visited the doctor.
You read only the first paragraph. First paragraph, what did you find there, children? What did you find there?
Now,
There is many Ravi.
Ah, yes, very good. The Ravi is being repeated again and again. Is it there any necessary of repeating the word that is the pronoun? That is the pronoun, not the pronoun, the proper noun again and again, my dear children?
No.
Yes, no, it is not
No.
necessary to repeat the proper noun again and again. So Ravi, only once it will do. We know that we are talking about Ravi now. So it is not necessary for us to use the proper noun or the noun again and again. Okay, it is not necessary for us to repeat the same noun again and again. Now look at the second paragraph. Okay, what is written there? Ashwell, come on, read. Ashwell, read the second paragraph. What is there?
Riva has not
Uh,
come to school today. He is
Yes.
not well. He visited the doctor yesterday. The
Mm.
doctor gave him medicine. He feels that if he takes the medicine regularly, he will resolve soon. Recover
Okay, he will recover.
soon.
Yes, he will recover soon. Very good, Ashwell. So here, only it is very necessary. We already know we are talking about Ravi. Okay, then it is not necessary to repeat the Ravi again and again. So instead of Ravi, what we have used a pronoun. So as Ravi is a masculine gender, we have used the pronoun he. Okay, he is not well. He visited the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave him medicine. He feels that if he takes the medicine regularly, he will recover soon. Have you understood? So this passage is have all of you understood? What is the use? Yes.
He is a boy.
Yes, okay. So we have to use a pronoun in place of a noun in order to avoid repetition. Have you understood what is the use of a pronoun is? Now let's learn about the pronouns well. Okay, so these are the 7 main pronouns we are going to learn in today's class. Okay, so 7, all of you please mute your audios. Okay, first let us learn about the 7 main pronouns. There are different pronouns are there. We can categorize them as subject pronouns. We can categorize them as object pronouns. Okay, all these pronouns are there. But these are the 7 main pronouns. Okay, these 7 pronouns, main pronouns, as they do have different forms. Okay, that is what him, his, all these are their different forms. He is the main pronoun and its different forms are him and his. Okay, so first let us learn these 7 pronouns well. These are the 7 main pronouns. First, let us start with he. Okay, he, I, it, we, you, and they. Okay, so we are starting from, let's move from one by one. All of you look at the slide very carefully. We'll start with he. So he is my friend. So when we're talking about a boy or a man, okay, when we're talking about a boy or a man, we use the pronoun he. Okay, so he is my friend. So he is a pronoun used for a man or a boy. Okay, for masculine gender. So he is my friend. Now let's move on to the next pronoun. You can see in this picture, a picture of a girl. Okay, so in that case, which pronoun do we have to use? We have to use the pronoun she, as the girl is a feminine gender. Clear? So she is going to school. Clear to all of you? But she is used in place of a girl or for a feminine gender. We do use she. Clear to all of you?
To school.
Yes. She is going to school.
You are a girl.
No, we'll go one by one. Only then you will remember. Otherwise, you will not remember. Now let's move on to I. So we have learned about he. Yes, all of you mute your audios kindly. Mute.
I am reading a
Okay, when if I've asked you to read, you'll read. Otherwise, please mute your audios. So we have learned about he and she. Now let's move on to the pronoun I. When we're talking about myself, okay, so I have to use the pronoun I. Clear to all of you? When I'm talking about myself, I have to use the pronoun I. So I'm saying I'm a teacher, I'm so and so. I work in so and so which place. I come from this place. So I should not use my name. Have you understood? So in place of that, I have to use the pronoun I. See here, I am reading a book. The boy could not say his name again. Okay, he can't say Sam is reading the book. No. If he has, so here you have to use the pronoun I. So I is used in place of when you're talking about myself. Is that clear to all of you? So I is a pronoun used when we're talking about myself. Clear? Now let's move on to the next pronoun, that is it. When we're talking about an animal, understood? An animal. An means what? One. An animal or a thing. Or a thing. A thing means it can be, we know what our things are. Can be a pen, pencil, whatever it is, non-living things, anything. Okay, so a thing, we make the use of the pronoun it. Clear? So 4 pronouns we have learnt. Come on, tell me which are the 4 pronouns we learnt. Which are the 4 pronouns we learnt?
I,
He,
it.
I,
He, I, it.
very good, very good. Very good. He, she, I, it. Yes, very good. Very good, very good. Now let's move on to the plural pronouns. Okay, these are all our singular pronouns. That is he, she, I, and it is used for one. It is used for singular. Now, yes, it gives us milk means it's talking only about this animal. That is cow. Okay, so instead of cow, we can use it. So when we're talking about an animal or a thing, we can use the pronoun it. Okay, now, yes.
Cow and goat gives us milk.
Okay. Now let's move on to the plural pronoun. Okay. So they is used.
They
Is used when we're talking about people, animals, and things.
Man, they
Okay.
is pronoun.
Yes, they is a pronoun. We have to know when to use the pronoun they. Simply we can't use here and there. So when we are talking about people, look at the picture very carefully. When you're talking about the people, okay, animals and birds and things, it stands for plural. Okay, we can use the pronoun they. Clear to all of you? When we're talking about they,
there
is
is
used
one
when we're
squirrel
talking
also.
about people. All of you, please mute your audios.
And there is one squirrel.
All of you, please do listen. Listen. Yes, we are talking about, I'm not asking you to look at the squirrel. All of you, please look at the word they. Okay, they is a pronoun. When to use the pronoun they? They is used when we are talking about people. People means more than one. People, animals and birds and things. Okay, they is the only pronoun used for people, animals and things. Is that clear to all of you? They is a plural pronoun used when we are talking about people, animals and things. Clear? I'll move on to the sentences. When I move on to the sentences, you will understand. Okay. So we is also a pronoun which is used only for people. I told you they is a pronoun which is used for people, animals, and things. Only they is the only pronoun there where we can use for plural. When we are talking about people, animals, and things, we can use they. Is that clear? But we is a pronoun which is used only for people. But what is the special about this is you should be included into it. Okay. So when you say talk about my family means what? About myself along with others, including you. Only then we can use the pronoun we. We went for a picnic. We went for a picnic in the sense that you are there in the picnic. We are friends means you all are friends. Okay, so only then we can make use of the pronoun we. Dia, Mia, Ria, and I are friends. So we could say we are friends. Okay, have you all understood about we? Now let's move on to you. Okay, all of you, please do understand the usage of these different pronouns. You is also a pronoun which is used only for people. See, look at this slide. It is used only for people. And you is a pronoun which is used for singular as well as for plural. when if you're talking about a person or if you're talking about a group of person, we could use the pronoun you. Okay, so you are a girl, you are a nice person, I saw you there. Okay, so when we're talking about when we're talking face to face to a person, we could say that you are a girl, you are a nice person, I saw you there in the market yesterday. Okay, so you all are my students. So when we are talking about plural also, we could use the pronoun you. Is that clear? So you is a pronoun which is used both for singular and plural and is used only for people, not for anything else. Okay, when we're talking to a people, when we're talking to a person, we could say, yes, I saw you there. Okay, you are a good person. You're a nice person. Okay, so we could use, when we're talking about, you can be used both for singular and plural. So we have learned about he, she, I, and it. And also we have learned about the plural pronoun, that is you, we, and they. Okay, my dear children, have you understood? Yes? Yes, clear about all the 7 pronouns? About all of you? These are the 7 main pronouns. Okay, now let's move on to the exercise. Okay, well, I hope it's clear.
Yes. There is one egg. Ma'am, there is one egg. Go.
So I could hear you. I could hear. Okay. 1 minute, my dear children. I could take a different slide for you. No. 1 minute. We cannot do that exercise. I have to go for a simplest one.
Okay.
1 minute, my dear. Yes. Now, there is a picture for you. Okay, so you have to identify the pronoun which is used for that picture. Okay, I'll start with, just raise your hands. Okay, I'll start with Wazim. Wazim, are you lying down? Wazim, come on, tell me, look at the picture and come on, tell me.
She is.
No, I haven't given anyone any sentences. Just by looking at the picture, you have to say which pronoun to be used. Okay, just identify the picture and tell me which pronoun you have to use. She, very good. So you have to use she, very good. Srived, come on, Srived. Look at the picture and come on, tell me which pronoun we have to use there. Unmute it. They, very good, they. Okay, Arav, come on, tell me. Look at the picture and come on, tell me which pronoun we have to use. Arav. It's very good. Adidev, come on, Adidev. Look at the picture and come on, tell me which pronoun we have to use. You can see a picture. Others, please do mute your audios. Here you can see how many people here. Only one. So how can be they? He. Okay, we are talking only about a boy. So which pronoun we have to use, Adidev? Come on, tell me. He, yes. We have to use he. Advait, come on, tell me. Look at the next sentence. Come on, tell me.
It.
It, yes, it. Heaven Rose, come on, tell me the next. Look at the next picture and come on, tell me which pronoun we have to use there. He, very good, he. Very good. Now, Abdul Nehan, come on, tell me. Others, please to mute your audios. Mute it. Otherwise, I have to mute you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's better.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wanted Abdul Nehan to say the answer. Abdul Nehan, come on. Look at the picture and come on, tell me which pronoun we have to use there. They, very good. They means you can see that there are many people are there. So we have to use they. Very good. Okay, very good. Henry, I'm sorry. William, come on. Look at the picture and come on, tell me which pronoun we have to use there. I, very good. Here we are talking about I. So this is just to identify the pronoun by looking at the picture. Okay, now I have one more exercise for you, a simple one. Okay, let's move on with the simple one to the complex. Okay, now I wanted the next person. Wait. Ihan, come on, Ihan. Ihan, read the first question for me, Ihan. Ihan, read the first question for me and tell me which is the answer.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Yes. Come on, read the question and come on, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
What's the problem now? Yes, Ihan, come on, read the question, Ihan.
Ma'am, I can see the board, ma'am.
What is the problem then? If you can see the board, could you come on, read the question? I wanted you to read the question. I know that you can see the board. Just read the question for me.
He is
She is. What is the word is? K-I-C-K-I-N-G. What is the word is? It is? Come on, kicking. Okay, kicking
kicking the ball.
ball. Okay, so come on, tell me which pronoun to be used there. Is that she is a girl or a boy?
Girl.
Girl. So which pronoun we have to use there?
She.
She, very good. So she is kicking the ball. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next person. Aradhya, come on, Aradhya. Read the question. Next question.
Ma'am,
Come on.
she is my, their.
Well, read it properly, but you can't see the board or what. This is my or their dash hat. That is the question you're going to read.
She is my, their.
Hat. Look at the picture also. Not she. This is this. T-H-I-S. Come on, read it properly. If you can't see the board, you tell me. If you can't see the board. The board is clear, I think so. The letters are also very clear. Come on, read then. That's why I've chosen such an exercise for you. Come on, read fast. Aradhya is not there.
She is my.
What is this word, my dear? This is this. T-H-I-S is this. Come on, read like that. This is my or dash is their hat. Come on, tell me which is the answer for that. This is, you can see a person touching his hat. So is he talking about somebody's hat or is he talking about his own hat?
Own hat.
So what we have to say there?
Hat.
Whether we have to use my or their.
There.
How come? This is my hat. That is the right answer. See here, you can see the person is touching his own hat. If something is yours, what do we say? This is my pen. This is my book if it belongs to you. Okay, so it is my. That is the right answer.
My.
Okay, okay then. Juanita, come on. Come on, read the next question. Okay.
They are dancing.
Yes, very good. They are dancing. You can see the two people are dancing there. So it should be they are dancing. Very good. Ayush, come on, Ayush. Ayush, come on, do the next question. Ayush. Come on. Ayush, come on, unmute it, my dear. No one is there with you.
Hello. You. Is a blue bag.
What? Yes, you, it is a blue bag. So which pronoun you have to use there? Is it you or it? is. We are talking about a bag there. So when we are talking about a thing or an animal, we have to use the pronoun it. Okay. So have you all understood? So when we are talking about an animal or a thing, we have to use the pronoun it. Come on, Joachim, do the next question. That's why I've chosen a simple exercise for you. Come on. Look at the picture and look at the sentence and tell me we have to use which pronoun.
She is standing up.
Standing up. Who's standing up there? Is it he or she?
She.
She is looking like she for you. Looks like a he, no? Okay, anyhow, he is standing up. Okay. Now let's move on to Durga. Durga, all of you turn on your videos, Durga. All of you, please do turn on your videos. Durga is not there. Okay, Durga, come on. I saw you. Okay, come on. Read the question. Read the question. So this question is over. That is okay. That is over. Now come on, do the last question.
It is eating grass.
Very good. Here we are talking about the animal here. You can see an animal here. It's a cow. So when we're talking about an animal, we have to use the pronoun it. Okay. Have you understood the different usages? Okay, now. Now here.
Can I mute?
Yes, you can. Now, Arav. Come on, Arav. Look at the sentence and come on, tell me. You have to underline the pronoun in the sentence. Come on, tell me. Which pronoun is that? Read the first question for me.
This is Adi. He is a boy. He.
Yes, he. Very good. Rishi, please do turn on your video. Rishi. And come on, read the next question for me. Rishi. Why is that you're not able to turn on your video? Rishi, come on, turn on your video. What happened to Advait? Come on, all of you, please do turn on your videos, all of you. Rishi, what about Rishi? Yes, Advait, come on, read the next question. Read the second question, Advait. Are you able to unmute it? Come on, read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Omar?
Omar has a kite. It is blue in color.
Okay, so.
It.
Yes, it. So Omar has a kite. It is blue in color. So it. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Muhammad Wazim, come on. Wait, I'll call you, Sarah, and all these. I'll call you. Wait, let them answer first. Wazim, come on. Read the next question for me.
Ma'am, I was in the bathroom.
Okay, it's okay. Come on. Come on.
Raja and John.
Raj and John. Come on. Raj and John
are friends.
Are friends.
Raj and John are friends. They are playing in the park.
Okay, so. Come on, identify the pronoun. I wanted you to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Come on. We have learned about 7 pronouns now. Which are the pronouns there in that sentence?
Ma'am, in.
How come? Have we learned about that word? No. We have learned about 7 words, 7 pronouns. What is that?
Are.
Which are the pronouns we learned in today's class?
It,
she, he, I, we, you, and they. Come on, see whether any pronouns like that is there in that sentence. Raj and John. So when we are talking about many, we have used
and John is
our friends. Okay, so what if you're talking about many people, which pronoun we have to use? We have to use the pronoun they. Okay, if only one person, we could use he there, but if it is more than one, we have to use they. Okay, now come on, identify the pronoun there. They are playing in the park. So which is the pronoun there, Wasim?
They.
They is a pronoun. So when we are talking about many, we have to use they. They is the only pronoun where we can use where many people are there. Okay, now, so Medha, come on, Medha, do the next question for me. Medha, can you unmute it? Come on, read the sentence.
A bird has wings. It
Mm.
can fly.
Okay,
It.
very good. Okay. Devana is there, no? Devana, come on, please do turn on your video, Devana. Devana. Devana, please do turn on your video, my dear. Are you able to? Yes, Devana. Come on, read the question, Devana. Devana? Where is she? Devana, come on, unmute it. Devana? Unmute it. Yes, Devana, come on, unmute it and read the question. Come on. Fifth question. This is Alka. Come on, read it.
This is Alka.
Mm.
She is playing with a doll.
Yes, she is playing with a doll. So, come on, identify the pronoun.
She.
She, yes, very good. So she is a pronoun here. Here we are talking about a girl. So we have to use the pronoun she. Here in the fourth sentence, we are talking about a bird. So we have to use the pronoun it. Here we are talking about two people here. That is Raj and John. So we have to use the pronoun they. Omar has a kite. Here we are talking about the kite, not about Omar. So we have to use the pronoun it. This is Ali. Here we're talking about this boy. So we are talking about the boy Ali. So we have to use the pronoun he. Okay, have you all understood? So in today's session, we have learned about the 7 main pronouns. That is very, very important. And these 7 main pronouns they do have different forms. Okay, that we will be learning it in the next class. Only when we learn the different forms, you will be able to do the exercise which is there in worksheet 21. Okay, children. So let's learn. So it's time for us to wind up today's session, children. So let's wind up today's session. Bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.